Hey guys, this is Gracie from Podium's AI team. Today I'm going to be talking about FAQs and the best way to fine-tune your AI employee. So I'm on the settings page of Podium and I've clicked into our AI employee on this left sidebar, and I can see that there's a bunch of FAQs for my business. So this is an auto dealer, and so all of those are pretty tailored to being a dealership, right? And so this is a great way to give your AI employee some knowledge about your business. So I highly recommend taking a look at this page and creating some Q&As for Jerry that he can pull from, right? Jerry's a new employee for you guys, and so it's important that he has the right information to answer the questions of your guys' leads. So let's take a look at one of these. Can I purchase a vehicle online? The answer is no. All vehicle purchases must be made in person. So if you had a customer chime in and say, hey, I want to buy this vehicle, can I buy it online? Jerry, your AI employee, would respond, hey, no, the vehicle purchases must be made in person. Would you like to come in for a test drive? Another one is, hey, can I trade in my current vehicle? This one is great, and our FAQs are great in general because you can come in here and add in your KB link. So you can send them a link to your website that takes them straight to your instant estimate for a trade-in. And so whenever a customer messages in about trade-ins and what that amount will be, Jerry will send them the link to your guys' website. So let's talk about what's not an FAQ, right? A Q&A pair is something that's more procedural, something that's built into Jerry's talk tracks. So a good example of this is for more like an HVAC company where it's like, hey, I want to ask for their zip code before creating an appointment or before scheduling. So that's not something that you can in here. You can't give the AI instructions here, but you can give him a question that he can answer. So let's add another one. So I can click this add button, choose if it's active or not. I can choose if it's an organization level FAQ or just for this one location. This one's going to be just for Cubbies. And so the question is, do you offer towing? And the answer is yes, we do offer towing within 20 miles of the dealership. A quick tip is to make sure that you're answering as in first person, so what you'd want Jerry to say. And then I always recommend repeating kind of the question in the answer. So that way, Jerry always knows that the answer is about towing, the question's about towing. And we'll click save. Once that gets saved, Jerry now has the answer to that question. So if you ever see Jerry get asked a question that he gives a wrong answer on, and come in here, add it in, and Jerry should get it next time. Thanks, guys.